Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the corner pin mode in Camtasia. Imagine you want to place a video onto a billboard. In the standard mode, it can be challenging to position the video perfectly onto the board. But don't worry, you can easily access the corner pin mode from the top menu, which makes this task a breeze. As you can see, with corner pin mode enabled, the video fits seamlessly onto the billboard, exactly as intended. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.